Hi, I'm Heather Goldstein. I do new product development here at Jerry's Artarama, and I wanted to talk to you guys about the new SoHo Urban Artist Sketchbooks. The SoHo Urban Artist Sketchbooks come in three different sizes now. So we have a 5.5 or 5.6 inch by 8.26 inch sketchbook that you can kind of take with you anywhere. It also comes now in 8.5 by 11 and 11 by 14. So the 11 by 14 is perfect for just keeping in your studio, but also it's a soft cover, so you can kind of roll it and grab it with you on the go. Each of the sizes comes in three different colors. They come in white, kraft, and gray, and they're perfect for any sort of dry media. Colored pencil, graphite, charcoal, these are going to do the trick. The best part though is that it has a Coptic bound side, so I kind of like the look of it, which is great. But Coptic just means that you can see the stitches on the outside of the sketchbook, and it allows the sketchbook to lay flat when you open it, and you can sketch all the way across the page. I really enjoy the SoHo sketchbooks. I think they're fantastic for keeping in the studio or even on the go. You can pick yours up at jerrysartarama.com, and I think you'll love it.